Technical Mechanical here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix a garage door that jerks like crazy when opening. Alright, so I've been fighting this issue for a long time. Try lubricating the rollers, the joints. Also try adjusting the spring. Try adjusting the opener's acceleration and speed, and nothing has worked so far. And mine tends to jerk harder after it's been closed for a while and then you try to open it. And the way you can tell if your garage door has the same issue as mine is just leave it closed for a little while and then unlatch it and then try to manually pull it up. You will feel that it kind of sticks in the beginning. So it turns out it's just because of these stupid weather stripping that tends to stick to the garage door after it's been seated for a little while. And it seems to be worse when the temperature is a little bit hotter. All you have to do is simply add some Vaseline all around the weather stripping. And I've tried some dry film lubricant on these and it did not work. Smooth as butter. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this is helpful and subscribe. Take care.